Goria products, more than it shows.
Hi, friends. In this video, you'll see how to use Goria Solid Wax for car maintenance. Clean your car before waxing. For an obvious visual effect, we only clean half of it. Use the sponge to dip wax with proper volume, waxing in the form of a semicircle, from left to right and top to bottom. We can also apply by circle or a straight line, making sure each circle or line partially overlap with the previous trace to avoid missing waxing. Wait for about 5-10 mins after finishing. Wipe with a clean towel. Basically, at the third time of wiping, there is a good performance coming out. Wax this half of the engine cover, with the same order and method. Remember to apply in a cool place, otherwise the sun will worsen the adhesion. Do not dip too much each time, it cannot enhance the effect, and might increase the difficulty of wiping. Let's see the final effect. Obviously, without using wax, there will be water residue. It will cause damage to the car paint if it is rainwater. The wax surface has a good drainage effect to water, and prevents excessive rainwater from staying. At the same time, the film formed by car wax can reflect part of the sunlight and retard the paint aging, so we highly recommend applying Goria car wax every TWO/THRE months. After a month, the effect of the wax was still excellent. Thanks for watching. The next video will show you electric caulking gun. For more Goria products, please scan Goria official QR code to subscribe.